Yeah, Patonya, Everlove TV anaba. Fifia opu border nami. Lekenya fifia pe business. Opu Ghana bu border. Or Togo mo bu border business. Aleke mi wana do pakle chan ko close border de lekenya business.
Yo, masanya wa George Nando. Alaba na ko tu dia tu border na nya adofuna mi vire. Alaba don kwa le jimo. Wa mi ba se wo hui. Donc activité avec mi on est moi il a dit tant donc avec wa border sia a dollar te a zonire ngola te jinira mi da. Ye ma avec mi gboro ye malo.
Chan ke otu border no bubuade pakle over via o ya po vuvu toto de lema.
Ah ma po vuvu toto lema. A po vuvu toto lema ba. Ni ga ta ma po vuvu toto lema la ba ko tu border. No alike do in Nigeria alike mi ba do in Nigeria don ba le ji na mo ba ko ofisi ama ka yo dollar ga ji sa ale ka ji sa na
Akpa ba odo jana
yo ha to nya akpa
afuba ba bonya awona zemi jai yeah fifi la fia ogbo bu border na mi bitna ya mi left chan e go to border for 2 good years business e mai mo pa fifi wa ga tro gude jijo popo kamanala
okay ma da pa de mon popo ya ta le chan pe border ya ochua awe be nya juma viwa mi le fu pepe gande me ala bana mi ano mi mama Togo mo yina African pona wo ha wo pe ndudu alo pe nya pe nya obo bo yo nya bo chu den a kaka apo ve a awe be ale ko ho wa yi wa po pe ndudu ple to mo a o ma tan yi mo we be na anwo sem na mi ajuma vio ta ayo hu border fia mo po be do alo to va vague nyon ha mi akpo jije mo aye mi kene ganya nya po mo popo nya be le mi apo yo mi plena o lo ga ko de muji ale gbegbe le petro yo mi je na ha o daga de muji ale gbegbe be na nya be jidudua alo juklola me to ashi le mi apo npoplo nchi o a o didi mu poto a na o ga bu border pepe ga ke a ale ke mu le san mi me nya o a to gbo bu border ke mu aga poto ano se na mi ta mi de kuku gande ba juklola na de mo be wa didi mu pashi ami jeje ple mi apo npoplo ga gbagba ple to mo no didi mu ji poto na mi vide be mi ha mi ate ma po border mo
akpa benedo jinabe actually what he is saying right now is about the border reopening about for the movement of goods, and he says since the closure of the border, business has been so hectic and so hard for them. Money in the pocket becomes difficult for them. So as the president has made a directive that the border should be open, it is one of the joyful moments for all of them over here for that the borders have been opened, and it's going to make a business a lucrative one, and business will be booming for them. So they are very happy about that. But what else they have to say is why the government, the only thing the government has to look at now is about the increase of petrol, increase of fuel. It become too much for them, so the government should do something about it so that the reduction of the fuel can later be a help to them, so that their old ladies, their grandmom in the house can also do their benefits works, so that they can have a livelihood in this country. That's what he is saying to me. So let's go and then see, maybe we can get some of the female to speak to us. So we'll be going and then mommy va drop border. Look in your person.
Oh, nyanya ma fili alako. Ala ba alaka fifi anu de share gblebo. Ta wona re kama galio. Anu de share gblebo wona re kama galio bude ha. Na diagalo chuchu ha kpla le ko fifi o katanya re ka koi. Mi mang dramu. Mi do asha mi mang dramu. Ale ju kwam le chan. Anyu no mi wu ke ya vaje ji fi alako le a. Esen na mi wu a chan.
Tamanya ma kwebe corona pa vavaiva we bova 2 day a plan mo ina bo nguna tra.
Oh, corona bo vava ha. Nya moro mi o mi ma nya bo dolele li fuli olo ofa. Nya te bolo. Na mi aglo ma ugbe nya mi ma nya bo dolele li. Ma blo.
If you have a face my plan to your black at one blood.
Nya ma ble po ka.
Actually, what she is saying is His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo opens the borders, but yet still, they don't believe this is going to change anything, and their business will not boom. Everything will still be the same as how it is. So, him coming to the government has changed a lot. And I asked her, is it not because of the coronavirus that makes everything turn this way? She said no. She don't believe there is a coronavirus, and so even though people are using face masks and all that, for her, she's never tried using the face mask before. So this is what she said to me. Let's see whether we can get to some of one lady and then let's close for today. Ebi ado jina ma es enya veviare la chika majuma sego momi enya kela chuna mi kuda upasa la ma kuda border.
Oh nyane la shi nyane bona chogo mo jeje ale den la vuvu chan mi se na vivi na ngo kakale oba chu den kwa vivi se sele kama gavalio kwa mi ba dangdi esubo ngede gbon mi sugbon bayi ale dodo yo kata mi wa dodo kata ogbon mu populo mali o mu na gbon mi akofugbo ta do ma hin kwa han wa ga hen wa ga bu border na mi o aso mi no mo ma mi vo ta border bu ma ga hian bo nya ga bu border na mi mi wa vi wo school bo nyon ga bo nyon fu de na mi ma vivi sana duamu ta vo vote se le jiji na mi le fia
Kaka mi si be do ma hin fifi afia e yo bu trop border maybe Togo bo no gbon no ho kaka na maybe na ga tro agboba aga tro boba mama.
Oh, kaka nyo gbon ho totro aga yingoa kama wa mangbe vezuba dokola ba le ko na Aflao dari ko fiafio na ba fiun afina ga tro bi wa ga jagba gomo na ta nya mi o nfia nga fude na mi to
Actually, what she's saying is she don't even believe the government should even open the border again. What she's saying is because things that she lost during the closure of the border has been a lot to her, so she don't even expect the opening of the border today, because it's just like restarting her life once again from a childhood. Maybe you have reached a certain stage and then everything has to collapse down and you have to restart everything. So maybe she's only hoping for God so that if you restarted everything, maybe business will still come back and she can be at a normal stage once again. So this is what she's saying to Anti-Vida Sosu, she said she's her name. So let's go to the Adam woman over there who is roasting a plantain over there. Maybe we can speak to her and she can tell us something about this very day.
As you are aware, it was refreshing to hear that the rest of the borders are opened, i.e., the land, the sea borders. So this morning, around a minute after 12 midnight, we obeyed our instruction and the directives and then open the border to both goods, services, and then persons who wants to use the border. So that is what happened, and then you can see a lot of few people, especially the locals, are walking across to Togo and back. Let me also see that the opening also affected Bit 9, so far as Aflao stretch of a border is concerned. Bit 9 is the approved pedestrian crossing for the community, not for travelers. It's for the community, because you know some of them live in Aflao here, they school there, they school in Lumi, and then they work in Lumi, they go to Mbaket in Lumi, and vice versa. So it's for them. To that place when every guest is there to screen them so that nobody will take advantage of the opening of the borders to undermine security. The rest of the unapproved routes remain unapproved. They remain unapproved. Nobody is required to use those unapproved, being the bit and the pillars. So the officers are still there, working there to prevent people from using those illegal entry points or exit points. So the B9 and then the main border is open to travelers and other persons who want to access it. Add that unfortunately our counterpart at the Togo side, they have not opened the border, their side of the border. The border still remain closed over there. So if you're a traveler and you want to travel to Togo, all the protocols that they put in place during the closure and this COVID pandemic is still in force. So when you go there, they will require you to produce whatever documentation that they need from you before they will allow you to enter. So that is the situation. Maybe some will take it that, oh, the border is open, so I can go. When you get there, they will ask you. Yes. The directives is for Ghana borders.